So this is Bill, and he had knee pain for a long time and has some arthritis and an injury to his PCL. And so Bill had PRP, and Bill, tell us about your story.
Yeah, I had my PCL injury when I was 15, and 20 years later, after being active and doing sports and triathlons, I started to get arthritis in my knee. And that arthritis started to impact my day-to-day life. There was a lot of um, uh, like things that we had to do in order to mitigate the pain. And so, as I mentioned, I'm very active and I love to travel. And so what we had to do was start to consider my knee when we were going to Europe. So unfortunately there were some things that I actually had to sit out of because I couldn't actually participate in them, like going up to see the top of a mountain or a clock tower in Europe, or those sorts of things. So in order to mitigate that pain, I'd be sitting in a cafe somewhere, which is still fine, but it definitely had impacts on my life.
And even day to day, you had issues, right?
Day to day, every single day. I mean, I think I may have had a limit of 6,000 steps maybe before it really started to impact me and I had to just sit for the rest of the day. So I've also got young kids, and those young kids require a lot of input. And at a certain point, my youngest son told me that he wanted to become a doctor so that he could help cure my knee pain. And when an 8-year-old tells you that kind of it's sweet and all, but it's a little bit sad that my knee pain was impacting his perception of what an adult life should be.
Yeah, and you told me you were considering things like knee replacement. And is that
Yeah,
true?
I was desperate at some points. It was an everyday pain. I'd wake up and I'd more or less start limping from the moment that I got out of bed. And towards the end of the day, after months and months of this kind of pain going on, I started to get desperate, because not only did I want my life back, but I just wanted to be rid of the pain. So I was considering knee replacements. I'm 39 right now, and that's from my understanding way too young to be having a knee replacement. But I was just desperate. So I talked to Dr. Eisenberg, and he kind of laid out the plans for me, and the knee replacement was a very extreme choice. And so one of the other options was this PRP.
And so what was your experience with that?
Flawless. It took 10 minutes to do, and it was painless. It was easy for me to do, and that PRP was critical for me to live the life that I'm living right now. The past 3 months after getting the PRP have been nothing short of unbelievable. I do not limp at all during the day. And what's even more than that is I don't have any pain. Now, I still have to be careful with it. And if I do anything extreme, I do start to feel a little bit of pain, but it's nowhere near in the same ballpark as what it used to be. I just recently went to Portugal, and Portugal is a very hilly place. And when I went there, there were no issues with my experience whatsoever. It was wonderful. I'm able to play with my kids now, and that's huge for a guy in his 30s with young kids to be able to interact with his children on a regular basis. That's just it's life-changing to be honest. I feel like I finally got my life back after years of trying to mitigate this terrible pain in my legs.
Awesome. Thank you, Bill. Appreciate you sharing the story.
Yeah.